as this nice gentle wave of relaxation has gone through from the top of your head all the way down to the bottom of your feet. Just gently lay down on the mat. Lay down on the mat while you keep your eyes closed. Find yourself a comfortable position as you're laying down on the mat. Take a couple seconds if you need to, just a few seconds. Find your most comfortable position, whatever that is. You can move your hands, move your feet, wiggle your fingers and your toes. However you want to put your hands on the mat or on your body, on your chest, on your belly. It's up to you. However you want to position your feet, it's up to you, because this is your space. This is your time and space to relax. I would like you to right now think about ocean. Many of you must have been to the beach. You have seen the oceans, or at least you have seen the ocean waves from the TVs or movies. Just go ahead and think about a beach that you like. Could be your own favorite place, your favorite beach. Could be some imaginary beach that you like. As you're thinking about that beach, think about the ocean waves. Every time when you inhale, think about those ocean waves rising. And when you exhale twice as longer. Think about those ocean waves falling, coming up, crashing to the shores. Once again, inhale, think about the rising of the ocean waves. And when you exhale slowly, twice as longer, think about the falling of the ocean waves. You know what ocean waves look like with that natural rhythm. Now allow your breathing to synchronize with the ocean waves. Inhale, think about the rising of the ocean waves. Exhale, think about the falling of the ocean waves. Continue to synchronize your breath with the rhythm, that natural rhythm of the ocean waves. And you might notice, if you pay attention to your breathing, as you are synchronizing your breathing with the ocean waves, as you are inhaling to the rising of ocean waves, exhaling to the falling of ocean waves. Notice your body. You might notice that your body is also following that natural rhythm of the ocean waves. When you inhale, pay attention to how your chest and your belly are just naturally expanding to the top, to the side. When you are exhaling, thinking about the falling of the ocean waves, your chest and your belly, they're just naturally contracting. Once again, as you inhale to the rising of ocean waves, notice how your chest and belly are expanding. As you exhale twice as longer, thinking about the falling of the ocean waves, notice how your chest and your stomach, they're also contracting, just like the falling of the ocean waves.